Hi, this is the crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. So today I want to carry us through Kucoin exchange. So this is my Kucoin exchange. This is Kucoin. So you can get it from Play Store. There will be a link in the description for you to use, follow and register and use the referral code to also help me and yourself. Okay, this is my Kucoin homepage. This is the Kucoin homepage. This is my own Kucoin homepage. This is it now. This is how it looks like. So I'll be showing us how to, the major reason for this tutorial is to show us how to buy and sell crypto via Kucoin P2P and also to sign up. Okay, now this is the Kucoin homepage. You can see this is the homepage. So if you want to log in, after let's say you have signed up and you want to log in, you come to assets. You come to assets, you click on assets, you see it will request you to what? To log in. So I'm logged in now. This is now in my account. So in the Kucoin homepage, let's go to the Kucoin homepage. These are the place where you see where you can make deposit, you check new listings, trading booth, referral, where you can see P2P, right? You can see deposit, you can see new listing coins that are just listed, and also this the market. Let's click the market. So this is where we have the sports trade, futures trade, right? Okay, and we also have the trade here. You can also click this trade where you see also spot trade, margin trade, and other things on the Kucoin platform. Also, this is the futures trading platform on Kucoin. So under assets, that's where you see your overview, what you have total in your account. You can see mine is just $28, and you can see the different accounts here, your different accounts, that is trading account here. Then you can see your main account, your trading account, your margin and future. So this is all about this is just a basic on how the overview of what they call it Kucoin looks like. So let's go back to homepage. So I'm showing us how to make purchases on Kucoin P2P. So you can also see P2P here direct, or you come to this buy crypto. So you click on buy crypto. So when you click on buy crypto, you see fast trade. You come to fast trade. Network is slow. So you see P2P here. So after clicking on fast trade, you see P2P here. So you click P2P. Then you can now see the merchants that are willing to sell to you, that is you are buying, and if you want to create an ad, there will be a video for this later. This is where you sell your crypto to them. So but now I'm showing us how to buy, and there's a reason for showing us how to buy now, because presently there's a promotion from Kucoin that they give USDT bonus for those who buy who place a buy order of at least 15 USDT on P2P, on Kucoin P2P. So this is how majorly how to do it. So when you come to this place, you click on buy. Let's use this guy, buy. Okay, I need to be logged in. So we click on buy. Then when you click on buy, you can see his terms and conditions. Just click more. You can see no third party payment, and this is his number to call him after making payment. Then this is where you enter the amount of USDT that you want to buy. Like I said, the promo says at least 15 USDT, so you can just buy 15 to be certain. So then you click on what buy, right? So let's go to the promo page and let's see what the promo page is all about. Okay, I received the mail from them. Okay, now see this is the the mail I received from Kucoin. Now you say you get P2P offer for Nigerian users. So this is strictly for Nigerian users. So if you are a Nigerian, even though you are an existing user of P2P on Kucoin, or a new user, for new users there will be a link in the description. Use the link to register your Kucoin account. Make sure your name is same as it is on your identity card, and you'll be verified in no time. So you get 2 USDT free, both new users and existing users, for doing this simple task. Okay, so mega P2P offer for Nigerian users: trade $15 and more to get 2 USDT reward, open to all Nigerian users. So whether you're an existing user or a new user, you get this 2 USDT. You just buy crypto worth 15 USDT via P2P platform, and so all reward will be deposited to your Kucoin main account within 7 working days after the promo. So the promo is between now, it started yesterday, between now and April 2nd. So rush in to take advantage of these 2 USDT. Okay, let's go back to Kucoin and let's show us how we can do this from scratch. Okay, now taking advantage of the 2 USDT, let's buy crypto. So let's say this is buy crypto. So we click on buy crypto. Fast trade, because we are using P2P. The promo say P2P. So P2P. Okay. So it's a free money. So let's take advantage of it. So let's say we want to buy from this guy. So let's buy from him, Crypto Guru. Okay, make sure his percentage completion is above 90%. So it's safe and he's a verified user. You can see he's a verified Kucoin merchant, right? And this is his account, OP. So let's look at his terms and condition. He says this is his number. We can call him after. Then he said our name should be same as the description of payment, as it is in a Kucoin. So that is to say, no third party payment. Please don't use third party payment, because you might likely lose your crypto. So let's say you want to buy 16. I've bought before, but I want to show us. So this is the amount of naira you'll be paying for 16 USDT. So you click on what? Buy. So I've placed the order. You can see I've placed the order. I'm not buying for it, but you have placed the order. Now you say awaiting payment. You can see from here, you can see the amount of naira you'll be paying and the rate which the seller is charging you, and what you'll be getting as 16 USDT. This is the name. This is the payment information. So you take note of the name, right? You take note of the name, then you just copy this one, this account number, and you make payment. So immediately after making payment, right, you come here and you say, you click payment complete. You know that we are not making payment now, I'm just showing you. So you click on payment complete. After you click on payment complete, then you wait for few minutes before, so that the merchant can release your coin to you. And once the coin is released to you, then you see a notification like this. You see a notification, asset received 16 USDT. You see I just made my own payment now, and they've released it to my account. So it means that I'm eligible for the 2 USDT. So you can rush in and do yours now. Kindly check the link, use the link in the description in case you are confused or you need a guidance to my WhatsApp group, and also use the link for Kucoin registration for new users. And also you can DM me for guidance also. In case this, let's say, take note of your time frame. In case this particular merchant is not responding, and you call him, is not responding, so you see, this is where you chat him. You can see, you can just chat the merchant. Here, and he's telling us already that he's online. You can just chat the merchant here and let him know you have made payment. Also, if the time is going, right, if the time is almost going and you've made payment, you have already clicked payment complete, you will see where they write appeal. So before the time runs up, in case it's not responding to you, you can just click on appeal, so that even though it did not respond, after 12 hours you get what? You get your crypto released to you automatically. automatically, and no merchant will want them to freeze their accounts. So he will, because of the appeal notification, he will quickly release the crypto. So kindly subscribe to our channel. If this is the first time you are meeting this channel, kindly subscribe to help us boost our visibility, and share the video to others who may likely want to know how to buy and sell crypto on what, on Kucoin P2P. Also, the bonus is free for all Nigerians. If you are Nigerian, you can share it. 2 USDT. I believe Kucoin has so many 2 USDT to give this time around. So take advantage of it and enjoy yourself. Thank you, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to also get updates whenever I post them. Thank you.